You pay for Claude for every month. Most people only use it as a chatbot. Type a question, get an answer, paste an email back out. That's it. Under the hood, Claude is a team of 6 products and 3 models working together. Some tidy up your folders, some write code. The most powerful ones sit at your computer and move your mouse like you do, but most only use one. It's like hiring Einstein as your assistant and only ask him to book meeting rooms. Today, I will skip the fluff and give you one map of the whole team. You will go from beginner to pro. At the end, you know how to pick the right tool for any job. Like and subscribe so you can come back to it at any time. Hey, I'm Steph. I find where small business lose hours and build AI to handle it. Alright, let's jump in. Claude is a family of AI products from Anthropic. Think of the 6 products as 6 AI coworkers. The 3 models are 3 job levels. You pick a coworker first, then give them a level. Haiku is the junior, fastest to respond, cheapest to run, good at simple, repeatable work, batch tagging, quick summaries, sorting things into categories. Sonnet is the middle level, your everyday workhorse. It handles most things. Opus is the senior, the most experienced one. It's slower and costs more to run, but it can handle the hardest problems, complex code refactors, deep research, that kind of work. My own rule is start with Sonnet, move up to Opus for hard problems, drop down to Haiku for simple batch work. One more thing I've learned, everyone assumes Opus is always the best, but for 80% of our daily work, Sonnet is a better fit. Opus thinks deeply. That makes it slow and more prone to timeout and more expensive. The right fit matters more than the price tag. The first coworker is the one most people already know, Chat. Chat is your AI advisor. You ask, it answers. It feels a lot like ChatGPT. Claude just sounds more natural, and it reasons better. Chat is good for anything where you are thinking, not moving files around. Work through a problem, write a client email, brainstorm, or have it scan the whole web for 10 minutes and come back with a research report. 3 ways to open it: web, desktop, mobile. Your chat sync across all 3. Chat has a ceiling though. It can't touch the file on your computer. You have to upload them by hand. 20 files per chat, 30 megabytes each, max. It gives you text back, and you still have to copy it out and do the work yourself. So, if you keep pasting files into chat, you need a different coworker. Cowork is your AI assistant. You give it access to a folder. It does the work, and the finished output lives right back in there. It's made for repetitive work that eats your time but doesn't need your brain. Open the Claude desktop app and go to the Cowork tab. The first time you use it, it asks you to pick a folder. That folder becomes its workspace. Claude stays inside it and won't touch anything else on your computer. It can also connect to Gmail, Google Drive, and Notion, so it's not just local files. One of my clients owns a small business. Every month, he has to clean up a pile of receipts. He used to open each photo one by one, type the numbers in by hand, sort them, and save everything into his accounting system. Dozens a month, all repetitive. I built him a receipt processing agent that runs inside Cowork. He drops the photos into a folder and gives Cowork one prompt. Cowork does the rest. All he does now is glance through to catch any mistakes. Cowork is for stuff you already have. To build something from scratch, like a website or an app, you need a different coworker. Code is your AI engineer. Tell it in plain English what you want. It plans, writes the code, run tests, and fix its own bugs. When it's done, you two go through the results together. You don't have to write a single line of code yourself. Code is good for anything you are building from scratch. Landing pages, apps, automation agents, bug fixes. 4 ways to open it. the Code tab in the Claude desktop app, the terminal, the Visual Studio Code extension, or Cursor, and other IDEs. If you don't code, but you want to build something for your work or business, I have a series called You Ask AI Builds. Go check it out. Before you jump in, start with plan mode. Let Code write a plan first. You confirm it, then it builds. The results are more accurate, and you avoid a lot of wasted tokens. Thinking it through first is always faster than going back to fix it later. You might be wondering how Cowork and Code can move files on your computer, even touch other apps. The same thing makes both of them work. It's called computer use. It gives AI eyes and hands. It can see your screen, move your mouse, and type on your keyboard. Turn it on, and Cowork and Code can sit at your computer like a real person and work for you. Mac and Windows both work. Claude asks your permission before opening any new app. Besides handling files and writing code, there's one more thing you often need: turning ideas into visuals. Building a slide deck, designing a product prototype, putting together an Instagram carousel, making a poster. That kind of work used to mean either learning design software yourself or hiring a designer. Now, Claude has a new coworker made just for this: Design, your AI designer. You don't need to know any design software. Describe what you want in plain English, and it throws up a version on the canvas. If something is off, select it, pick from presets, or use the slider to adjust. If your company has a design system, let it create your design file first. Every image it makes after that will stay on brand. Design lives inside Anthropic Labs on the web. It's launched in April. Chat on the left, Canvas on the right. On pricing, Design has its own weekly quota, separate from chats, Pro and above only. There's another common scenario. You are writing a report, doing competitor research, or organizing a bunch of data. You open a few websites, look through them, and bring some info back. With Chat, Cowork, and Code, you have to open the browser and copy the info over yourself. Claude's Chrome extension lets it open your browser on its own, read through the pages, and find what it needs. Available for Pro and above. For competitor research, it will visit multiple competitor sites on its own and put the key info into one report. Or when you have a pile of forms to fill out, it fills them for you. To be clear, the Chrome extension only covers the browser. If your work spans multiple apps, like the browser, plus Excel, plus Finder all at once, that's not the Chrome extension. That's Cowork or Code with computer use turned on. Honestly, the Chrome extension is still in research preview. It's not that fast, and sometimes it gets stuck partway through. Try it on small-sized tasks, but don't rely on it for anything important yet. The last coworker is Managed Agents. The other 5 coworkers all need your computer awake to run. Managed Agents is different. It runs on Anthropic's cloud servers, so it works 24/7. You can access it through the Cloud console. You'd use it for things like a 24/7 customer service bot, internal AI workflows, or background business agents. Enterprise territory. If you are a solo user, you don't need this one. The first 5 coworkers cover 90% of what you do. Okay, that's the 6 coworkers. The question on your mind right now is probably how much this all costs. Cloud has a few pricing tiers: Free, Pro, Max, Team, Enterprise, plus pay as you go on the API. On Free, you get basic chat with Sonnet, and there is a daily usage cap. No Chrome extension, no computer use, no design, no cowork, no code. Those all start at Pro. If you are not sure whether it's worth paying, run the free version for 2 weeks and decide from there. Pro is $20 a month, and it opens up the whole system: Chat, Cowork, Code, the Chrome extension, and computer use are all included. You can use Opus, the top model, and you get 5 times the usage free gives you. For most people, Pro is plenty. Max is $100 a month, and it gives you 5 times the usage of Pro. It's a good fit if you are running Cowork and code hard every day. If you are coding all day, just start with Max. Above that, there is a $200 Max tier with 20 times Pro's usage. Team starts at $20 per person per month, billed yearly with a 5% minimum. It's for small teams. You get shared usage plus team management on the admin side. Enterprise is custom pricing for bigger companies, and you need to contact sales. If it's just you, skip this one. Last, there is the API pay as you go. Here is the price per million tokens. Haiku is $1 in, $5 out. Sonnet is 3 in, 15 out. Opus is 5 in, 25 out. My advice is start with Pro. Don't jump straight to Max. Only move up when you hit the ceiling. That's the full ecosystem. For asking questions, doing research, or writing emails, go to chat. For processing files in bulk or running a fixed SOP, go to Cowork. For building an app or agent from scratch, go to Code. For making an image, a prototype, or a slide deck, go to Design. If it still feels messy, ask yourself what you want Claude to do. For asking Claude to look up something online mid-task, go to the Chrome extension. 5 scenarios, 5 sentences. Screenshot this if you need to. Most people are not bad at AI. They just never figured out which coworker to call for which job. Match the right coworker to the right task, and your AI productivity really takes off. Over the next 3 episodes, I will zoom in on each one. Chat concept, cowork concept, code concept. Today is the overall map. If you want to jump in right now, check my You Ask AI Build series. Over there, I build AI solutions to solve real-world problems from scratch. If this video helps you out, hit like and subscribe. I'm Steph, Prove It AI. See ya!